In this lesson, you will learn that there is more to a sketch line than just a line. Create a new sketch from the top left corner and choose any construction plane. You are now inside the contextual sketch environment. You can activate the line commando from the toolbar. From the Create drop-down menu, we have the keyboard shortcut L, and you can see assigned keyboard shortcuts to the right of the commando in the drop-down menu or by activating sketch shortcuts with keyboard shortcut S and searching for line. One box for degrees and one box for length appear. Use the tab key to jump between boxes. You can lock the degrees or the length. In this example, I enter a value of 45 degrees and my line is now locked to 45 relative degrees in any direction. Enter a distance, let's say 100 millimeters, and press enter. You can change the dimension or the angle by pressing them and entering a new value. Let's create a new line and see how Fusion aids our design. You can snap to the end of the line, to the middle of the line, or why not to the sketch grid if you have the snap to grid functionality turned on. Fusion will help you when you want to create relative geometry. Let's look at one example. Activate the line commando. Nothing happens when you hover in this space. Let's stay inside the line commando and hover over the end of the line. A helpful guideline suddenly appears and you can create a line. A small symbol automatically appears next to the line. You'll find the same constraint symbol in the toolbar. This is a perpendicular constraint, and you can read more about the commando when you stay with your mouse above the button. This constraint locks the line to a 90-degree angle, and you have to select and delete the constraint if you want to get rid of this rule. It's possible for you to create arcs when you are within the line commando. Click and hold your left mouse button and create your arc. That's it for this sketch line introduction. Let's move on and continue with the next lesson.